Hey, Tom from Tom's Tunes, just taking you through really quick the glue and the quick process for gluing down a new vinyl floor on your pontoon. We're laying this beautiful tan vinyl weave on a 20-foot by 8.5 wide right now. And we're going to be using the DeckMate D-128 adhesive. This is awesome stuff. It spreads really easy, and that's part of what we want to show you in this video. Before even opening your glue, let's take a look at the other items you're going to need, including a stir stick or a piece, something you can stir that glue with. We use a 9-inch paint roller. So short nap, this is a 1/4-inch nap. It says smooth surfaces, but it's going to help to spread nice and evenly. And then we have, since we do a lot of boats around here, we have a stick. It's adjustable and telescopes if we need it to, if it's up on a trailer, whatever it might be. But we're working on the floor here today, so we can use this extended handle to work that glue. We'll simply slide that short nap roller on, and that piece is ready to go. When you get to your glue, that D-128, this is pretty liquidy stuff. So what I can do before I open it is I can shake it up. And then we're going to pull that little tab. It's going to help open that lid. And from there, once we open this, we really want to get it out and use it fairly quick, because it's going to start to dry up as soon as you open the lid. So I'm going to take my stir stick here and just stir, make sure there's nothing on the bottom or the sides of that can. Just a quick stir, and we're ready to pour. We have other videos out there for doing the entire boat, but just wanted to show you what you need to get started. And then we'll go ahead and we'll use a whole gallon on each side of this 20-foot by 8.5 boat. Spread it as evenly as possible. We can roll that side back, push it down with some weight, a roller, then we'll flip the other side and repeat the process. Hope this helps.